Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Now we are going to discuss about term 3 unit 1 supplementary the witty sparrow. Witty means clever and funny. Now let us see the story. Once a clever brown sparrow lived in a forest. He had laid 3 eggs in the nest. The nest was in the bush. Bush means shrub. All the animals had respect for the sparrow and called her madam. But Glue is the young elephant. It walked past the nest noisily. Noisily means sound. The noise rattled the nest. Rattle means disturb. The mother sparrow was worried. Let us see the picture. The sparrow said, "If you do this tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope." Tie means bind. And then you can't move at all, I warn you. Now the elephant said, "Tie me up? Ha ha ha, we will see." The mother sparrow said that she would tie the elephant with a rope if he did so once again. So the elephant simply laughed at the sparrow. Let us see the picture. That afternoon, she went to the river bank to drink water. Bank means side of the river. A crocodile was stretching in the spot. Stretching means extending. Spot means at particular place. She was drinking water. Now the sparrow said, "Blacking me again?" Blacking means stop up. You have done it twice this week. Twice means 2 times. Move on. I don't want to drink muddy water. Muddy means sere, otherwise unclean water. Now crocodile said, "Move on. Did you say? I will stay put. You better go elsewhere to drink water." The sparrow went to the river to drink water. A crocodile was blocking the path. He refused to move and told the bird to drink the muddy water. Let's see the picture. The sparrow said, "Today I will let you be, but if I find you in the same place tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope." The crocodile answered that, "Little thing, like you tying me up? Ha ha ha." The sparrow went back to her nest and got a brilliant idea. Idea means plan. The sparrow warned the animal that she would tie him with a strong rope if he did so once again. The crocodile also laughed at the sparrow. The sparrow went back to her nest and got a brilliant idea. Let us see the picture. Next morning, Glue came coming towards the bush. Now the elephant asked, "Hi, are you not tying me up?" The bird said, "How dare you? Aren't you afraid of me? Just wait." Dare means brave. Afraid means fear. Glue, that means the elephant, asked the bird, "Are you not tying me up?" The bird said that, "How dare you? You are not afraid of me. Just wait." Let us see the picture. The sparrow took a strong gripper and tied the elephant on one end. The sparrow said that, "Whoosh! Don't you dare to move. Stay here until I fly and reach the other end of the rope to pull you when I say pull. Pull with all your strength." Strength means power. Let us see if you can move an inch. The sparrow took a strong gripper. She tied the elephant on one end. The sparrow warned the elephant, "You don't move. When I say full, at the time only you show your strength." Let us see the picture. It went to the river, saw the crocodile blocking its way. Way means path. The crocodile said, "I will not move. Just like yesterday, drink the muddy water." Muddy means soft wet earth. Then the bird flew to the river and saw the crocodile. The crocodile was blocking its way and said that it would not move just like yesterday. You drink muddy water. Let's see the picture. Sparrow took the other end of the creeper and tied the crocodile. The sparrow said, I warned you yesterday. Now stay still until I grab the other end. Grab means snatch. When I say pull, let's see if you are able to pull or not. The sparrow tied the other end to the crocodile and warned the crocodile, when I say pull, at the time, show your ability, wait and see. Let's see the picture. Sparrow went to the center of the creeper. The elephant and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. The sparrow went to the center of the creeper and asked the elephant and the crocodile to pull. Let's see the picture. This went on all day. Both the animals were exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. Now the elephant said, please let me go. I won't disturb you again. Disturb means interrupt. The crocodile also said, untie me. I won't stand in your way. Way means path. Now the sparrow said, good, I will remove the rope. Glue ran into the forest and the crocodile dived into the river. Soon the eggs hatched. Madam Sparrow lived happily with her 3 little babies. The elephant pulled hard towards the land. The crocodile pulled hard into the water. This went on all day. At last, the two animals became exhausted. They requested the sparrow to let them, as they would no longer disturb her. Now the sparrow removed the rope. The elephant and the crocodile ran away. The sparrow lived happily with the young ones. What is the moral of this story? Don't disturb others. Thank you, children.